Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sat Sri Akal. I am Govind and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Welded Sahasrabudhe. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. I hope you all have a good one. Now coming towards today's project, it's for aluminum formworks and we have done complete integration at our Bugao Technical Center in Pune. In the earlier two episodes of robotic welding basics, I have shared few details on the same, how to select the robotic welding set for your project. If you have not seen the same, you can check the description for the details of the same. The free reach is very important for robot so that there is no abnormality of wire feeding. Also in aluminum welding, angle of torch are more sensitive than as of normal mild steel or stainless steel welding. Correct selection of set is very important. In this, we have used our Victory Series OTC die hand robot with latest FD19 controller and Welding E-P-04 version 2. The speciality of controller is that it is having the highest safety standard of CAT PL4 and comes with a remote monitoring unit which helps in a longer service supports, as well as whenever there is some issue we can easily access your complete robotic welding set by just a 4G network or a 4G dongle, and we can get an OTP from your end to access it. And this process is same for multiple times that you are going to take the remote monitoring unit service. Coming towards the Welding P400, it is a nanotechnology high-end power source which can weld all weldable materials. It's a double pulse power source which comes with a welding data display and storage as a standard feature. So it can show you on the screen how much wire you have consumed, how much welding you have done, how much start-stop point you have done, and how much heat input has been given to the job while doing the welding. I hope you liked today's video and it was quite informative for you. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll be back soon. Love, Weld.